Welcome to the Fellows Partner Portal. There are two ways you can access the new Partner Portal. In your browser, type partnerportal.fellows.com or select Partner Portal in the top right navigation of the Fellows homepage. Once registered, you will log in with your email and password. If you forget your password, you can reset it using the link below. Once logged in, you will be brought to the homepage. If you need to access your account, you can do so in the top right of the homepage. Use this link to change your password if needed. First, we will take a detailed look into the My Orders section. You can also access your orders by clicking your account icon in the menu bar. To begin interacting with the order dashboard, choose a dealer from the top right drop-down, or enter an order number into the Lookup By field. Additionally, you can choose to filter by order status, date range, keyword search, or sort orders by. We are phasing in downloadable documents such as order acknowledgements and pick tickets, which will be available soon. To clear filters, simply click on Reset Filters. To apply filters, hit Enter key or Apply Filters. If you have not selected a dealer or provided other filtered information, the dashboard will display all orders. The dashboard provides information by dealer, order or PO, order date, order status, total extended list, discount amount, and grand total. If a download is available, such as order acknowledgement, the document will appear in the Downloads column. Two legends appear at the bottom of the dashboard and also on the order listing page. Order status terminology gives definition and color coding to the 6 different statuses for easy identification. The Downloads icon key defines the abbreviation for each downloadable asset that appears in the last column of the dashboard. Clicking on any line of your order dashboard will bring you to the Order Details page. This page is made up of 3 parts. The top of the page showcases key pieces of information for your order, including key dates, contacts, spiffs, and pricing breakdowns. The central section of the Order Details page lists the line items. You can use the toggles on the top right to alter your view from tags to sequential lines. Some items ship as a kit. Click on the Expand Kit in the description column to see all items listed here. To hide lines, click Collapse Kit. After the line items, you'll be able to locate item totals information, which includes total extended list, discount amount, and grand total. If there were any files available to download, you will see a Downloadables section populated with the correct assets.